I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a project and selecting the track you want to modify. This immediately reveals the channel strip on the left. Once the channel strip is visible, click the Instrument or Audio Insert slot to open the plugin menu so you can add or swap effects. Make sure audio units are enabled in Mac OS if you expect third-party plugins to appear, because without that permission, they won't show up. Now, navigate into the menu. This is where discovery begins. Once in the plugin menu, open Plugin Manager to get full control. You can sort entries, disable broken plugins, and validate names so Logic lists them cleanly. Use the search bar and category filters to narrow results. Type part of a plugin name and Logic highlights matches, which saves time when you have hundreds installed. You can also preview by loading a plugin's UI into the Insert slot. This lets you audition settings quickly without committing. Remember to reorganize favorites for faster future access. You finalize by loading the chosen plugin and adjusting parameters to taste, then save that channel strip as a preset so you can recall the exact chain later. If a plugin is missing, run a rescan in Plugin Manager or force a validation to rebuild the list. This often fixes misindexed audio units. Make sure to restart Logic after changes, and if a plugin refuses to load, check Mac OS security and privacy to allow the developer. That one step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.